everyone, welcome back to CB Auto News. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about compact SUVs of the year, the 2026 Ford Escape. If you're looking for something practical, efficient, and tech-savvy, you'll want to stick around for this one. So, what's new with the 2026 Ford Escape? Well, even though it doesn't completely reinvent the wheel, it builds on everything drivers have liked about it so far. This small crossover continues to offer a wide range of powertrain options, a high-tech cabin, and solid driving dynamics. Whether you're all about fuel economy or you want something with a little extra power, the Escape has something for you. Let's start with performance. Ford gives you 3 engine options to choose from. First, there's the base 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. It's great for everyday commuting and gives you decent fuel efficiency, up to 27 mpg in the city and 34 on the highway. But if you're after more punch, you'll want to check out the available 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. This engine delivers 250 horsepower and can hit 60 miles per hour in just 6.6 seconds. It's definitely the one to pick if you enjoy driving or need that extra power for highway merging and passing. There's also a hybrid and a plug-in hybrid version for those who care more about efficiency. The hybrid makes 192 horsepower and is expected to deliver around 42 mpg in the city, which is pretty impressive. And if you go for the plug-in hybrid, you'll get 210 horsepower and an electric-only range of about 37 miles. That's perfect for short commutes without even touching the gas engine. Now, let's talk about how it feels on the road. The Escape offers surprisingly agile handling for a compact SUV. It's easy to maneuver around town, and with the Turbo 4 engine, it actually feels quick. However, if you go for the base engine, you might notice it's a bit rough and less refined compared to some rivals. Also, the ride can be a little stiff at times, especially on rough roads. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Escape has a very modern look, especially in the higher trims. Every model now comes with a fully digital instrument cluster and an 8-inch infotainment screen. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, which is a nice touch. If you want an even better experience, upper trims offer a massive 13.2-inch touchscreen, a wireless charging pad, a 360-degree camera, and a premium 10-speaker B&O sound system. In terms of space, the Escape does well. It has more front legroom than both the Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V, and rear passengers will have no problem getting comfortable. Cargo space isn't class-leading, but it's still more than enough for your daily needs. Safety is another strong point. All 2026 Escapes come with Ford's Copilot 360 suite. That includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic high beams. Adaptive cruise control is available and becomes standard on higher trims. You can also expect strong crash safety ratings, although it's worth noting that last year's model received a marginal score in the updated side crash test. As for pricing, the 2026 Escape starts around $29,500 for the base active model. If you want the fully loaded plug-in hybrid version, you're looking at just under $40,000. That puts it in line with other compact SUVs in its class, especially considering all the tech and hybrid options. So, is the 2026 Ford Escape the right SUV for you? If you want a flexible powertrain lineup, solid tech features, and a practical interior, it definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Just be aware of a few compromises in ride, comfort, and interior quality. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your thoughts on the 2026 Ford Escape, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.